What's up, YouTube? Green Rhino Academy, Clean Up Facebook group, Green Rhino Academy Facebook group, and yeah, Green Rhino Project. Check it out, guys. You know, you should know by now, because sometimes I feel like cramming it down your throat, that I have a school and I teach this business, this literal carpet cleaning business, and I teach you how to be a successful owner-operator in your own carpet cleaning business. So it changed my life, and that's why I'm so passionate, because I come from a place of I'm not trying to bring down the tone, but of hopelessness. If anybody's ever felt that way in their life, that's what I'm talking to a lot of the times. Okay, some people, it maybe never been that low of a period in their life to where they just felt there was no opportunity, no avenue for them to ever make a good life for themselves financially. And it keeps you in the dump, man, and it causes depression, and it may drive you to drinking, or may drive you to, drug use or something, that, because really the way we feel inside of us comes out of us in different ways, and it affects us bad. So when I finally found something that I could do, because I knew I always wanted to own my own business, and it started like actually working out for me, I felt like I found a pot of gold. I literally felt like finally, oh my God, I could put this energy that I was putting into all the wrong things in life and put it into something positive. And once I started doing that, I just wanted to share. This pot of gold with everybody. So, I started sharing my stuff on YouTube, and eventually I thought, you know what, let me put all this information into some training, a school, a course. I don't really like to call it a course. I like to call it training, but that's how people understand it as, right? So I did that, and since I did that, I've had so many testimonials from people, and I feel blessed. I'm the one that feels blessed that I was able to accomplish something in my life that helps people, that's productive, that I can look back in my life and say, man, I really helped a lot of people, and maybe God could look at that and say, hey, you know what, you weren't perfect, but you did do some good things in your life. So the purpose of this video, I got a video review today. I woke up this morning with it and finally got a chance to watch it, and I was like, wow, this is why I do what I do. That's why I continue to do it. So go ahead and check out this video right here. This garbage cleaning, man, awesome. All right.
What's going on? Good morning. It is 8:12 where I'm at, and I'm headed to my first job out of 3. I wanted to say that this course really changed my life. Before I got this course, I never cleaned a carpet a day in my life, much less tile or upholstery. Through Tommy's consistent dedication, consistency, and he'll reach back out to you same day. It's not weeks before you hear him. That I was able to get my business off the ground. 6 months from that, I was able to quit my job and do it full time. Last week was our first year in business, and we did $96,000. We're averaging about $3 to $4 grand a week. We are the #1 company in our area. We have 95-star reviews. He teaches you all of this. I highly suggest getting Tommy's course. that $300 changed my life. I don't know what it is now. It might be $400. If it was $5, I'd pay it. But that $300 at the time changed my life. If I'd known what I know now, I'd have done it ASAP. But I'm in my own van right now, brand new Dodge ProMaster. My portable, just paid it off. Got a truck mount coming. About to order it. But guys, this course changed my life. If there's anything I could ever do, Tommy knows all he has to do is pick up the phone. Don't hesitate. Get your debit card, get your PayPal. I'm sure he takes crypto. I don't know. But you need, if you're serious, if you're not serious, go find something else to mess with. But if you're serious, this will elevate your life. 100%. It did mine.
You know, I watched that. I was speechless for a minute. I've got other ones, but this one right here, because he waited to give me a review. Because I always ask, you know, my students if you can leave me a review. Just even a text one's fine. A video one's great. You know, he waited, you know, until he actually had a year under his belt of full time, and you know, his income's nearly $100,000. And notice he had a portable. So it could be done with the portable, right? If your budget isn't right, you know, if you don't have a big enough budget for a truck mount. I always do recommend getting a portable that you can actually leave in your van. I mean, the vacuum power's amazing, and you can use it as a truck mount. But if you can, I'm not sure how exactly what portable he has, but whatever it was, he made it work, man. And you know, what a success story. So congratulations on him, because yeah, I was a small part of that, right? But it takes you. You have to have that ambition and drive. If you don't have that ambition and drive, then don't waste your time. You know, some people just don't have that entrepreneur mentality. That kick yourself in the butt to get up off the couch and actually do something. Maybe they're better off working for somebody. You know, some people are they'd rather just work for somebody. But there's no better feeling to have than you being able to make your own hours. You know, set your own times to show up. Nobody tells you what to do. You take so much more pride in your work because it's yours too. Yeah, so my life changed because of this business, and yours could too if you're ready for it.